Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up working hours in Google Calendar. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps and in here you can uh, see the Google Calendar like this. If you wanna set up working hour in a Google Calendar, you just click on three lights icon in here, and then in here you can click on a day, and in here you can choose the day, maybe on this one. So you just click on the date, and in here at the bottom in here you can see this 1 a.m 2 p.m or until 11 p.m. And after this, if you wanna set up a working hour in a Google Calendar, you just click on the hour that you want to set up a working, maybe at 10 a.m. you just click on it, and after this in here you can swipe like this, and you can add the title, maybe on a meeting like this, and after this you can click on save. And after this, if you wanna add set a working again, you just click on at 1 p.m. like this, and after this you can click on title again, like a meeting to like this, and after this you can click save and like this. So that's how to set up a working hour in a Google Calendar apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.